When I'm not out chasing Schrodinger's cat, I like to answer questions about music. The most common question I get is, do I really have to play this loud? Yes. With that out of the way, maybe we can look at how to be loud and sound good. To make this happen, let's look at Kid Rock's song, All Summer Long. Now this song uses just 3 chords pretty much for the whole song and just kind of endlessly repeats. There is some little extra stuff, but for the most part it's 3 chords. And so here's how it works. We basically play the 3 chords, D, a C, and a G. And that's the whole song. It just keeps repeating over and over again. And then we make it a little bit more interesting. And then we put it together with a little flourish. The best part about All Summer Long is the promise that it's going to come back louder and even better next summer.